guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So right now I just got off my four-wheeler because it started pouring. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pouring down rain right now. Like, I was just on my four-wheeler and I was driving in the rain till it started coming down and lightning, and I was like, okay, let me go. It didn't even thunder, it was just lightning and it was just lightning and rain. It's blowing sideways, man. It's blowing that way. Now it's coming straight down, maybe. But all the trees are blowing. Everything's pouring. I haven't heard thunder yet. Just one little lightning strike. It didn't even come down. It just went like in the air. Just a little. Oh snap, now it's coming. Alright, now it's going that way. Going that way. This is crazy though. Crazy storms are happening right now in Missouri. Crazy storms in Missouri are happening. What was that? I don't know if y'all heard that. It was like a pop. I was just having such a good time until this happened. And I wanted to ride in the rain. I was having a good time until it started pouring. Like, I was riding, it was sprinkling, and I was riding. Such a good time. Until, poof, it's pouring. And also, I'm selling merch. I haven't made it yet. I haven't designed it yet. But I'm going to frame something, sign it, and then sell it. I'll show y'all at the end of the video. I promise. I don't know if it's me. Oh, snap. What the heck? Why did it just do that? That wasn't I was wiping it. And it wasn't me or anything. It just went black. Like. But crazy storms in Missouri are happening right now, as we speak. I'm gonna act like the weather. Hold up. Hold up, I'll be right back. Oh, crazy storms are happening in Missouri. Stay away. Breaking news. Crazy storms. Crazy storms are happening in Missouri. You need to stay in your basement and away. Whoa, wait a minute. Whoa. Yo, hey, tree down, wait, tree down, a tree. I'll be right back here. Oh, I'm back with breaking news. It's heavier. It picked up. Crazy storms. Stay away, stay in your basements, away from windows. Crazy storms are happening right now as we speak. As you can tell, we have flooding on breaking news. Flooding. And more flooding. Just stay away. Breaking news. Even the dogs are soaking wet and scared. What the heck? This one's always soaking wet. But I just picked up, and now we already have a tree down. One tree is down. You can't tell, but I heard a like on the ground, like cracking wood. But hold up. But, like, it's just pouring down. Y'all need to stay away. This is breaking news. OMG. Breaking news. Breaking news. Stay where you're at. Stop. In your basement. And now, stay in your basement. Stay away from windows. Stay away from doors, kids. If you live in Missouri and it's pouring, stay in your, I don't know if that was lighter. Stay away from windows. Stay in your house. It's raining again. It's picked up. Go! What? Go! Breaking news. Whoa! As you can see, we already have trees blowing and rain dumping 2 different ways. Crazy. Just stay away from windows or doors or anything. Or I could go out there. Y'all, breaking news, you need to stay away. Look, flooding right here. Flooding is already happening. Stay away from doors or windows. Ow, I just got poked. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but right there we have a major flood and the dogs are scared. We can't have this happening. Look. OMG. flooding. I need to run out there and let's check the damage. Let's go! Look at this! Breaking! Ah! Yo, it just blurred y'all. It just blurred you. OMG. That was 2 seconds. That's how bad it's pouring. It's a hurricane! It's blowing away! Oh, wait. Breaking news is calming down. I'll see y'all live again. Breaking news y'all live right now. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What? Trash bag girl is here. Trash bag girl. Go get them steps in. Woo! I'll be right back, y'all. Breaking news, it just calmed down. And now it's picking back up. Dogs are not scared. It's calming down. Woo! Dance party. Dance party. Dance party. Hey. Oh! Where'd it come from? It's picking up. It's raining. Get inside. Get inside. Oh, wait. Ah! Everybody should be scared. I'm sorry. Let's go back out. Breaking news. We have to get over to the studio. Oh, my God. We have to get over there ASAP. ASAP. We are flooding. Flooding. Oh, my gosh. I'll be right back. Breaking news. You need to stay inside. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pouring down rain right now. Flooding. More flooding. It's happening right now in Missouri. You need to stay inside in your basement, away from windows and away from doors. Let's go over to the studio. Let's go. Nerd glasses on. And we roll out. Ah, it's raining on my phone. Oh my gosh. Y'all just went black. I just went, oh snap. I think we keep like lights are flickering inside. It's what? It's bright. Right. Breaking news. Right now. What is happening? Right there. Let's go. And right here and right there. Let's check out these two. We out. Look at this. Flooding is happening right here. Flooding is happening right here. Ah! Flooding is happening right here. Oh, this is deep water. Let's get back. Deep water. Yo, deep water. Missouri is flooding. Oh my gosh. Missouri is flooding right now. Oh my OMG. I don't know if y'all saw but or heard, but it's raining. Or thunder, sorry. Yeah, obviously it's raining. We have to go explore more damage. Yep. Woo! Oh, more flooding. Oh my gosh. Oh! More flooding. Oh, it's picking up. Oh! Oh! It's picking up. Flooding. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro. Yo. This is insane. Hold up. Yo. This is insane. Water is flooding in. Ah! Flooding. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is insane flooding. Yo. That's deep. Yo! Oh, we have a river! Yo, out of the four-wheeler! Not the four-wheeler! Should we take the four-wheeler? I say we take it out. Yo, we have to get out there, explore the damage, and get back inside! This is insane. Ah! away. Oh my gosh, I'm basically the news. Ah! Ah! Yo, that's insane. Yo. Ah! Yo, my shoes, my socks are soaked. We have to explore the damage. There's flooding coming in here, and that's not good. That is not. God, that is... Oh. All you have to do is stay inside, away from windows, and you're gonna be clear. Trust. I deal with a lot of this stuff. Yo, look. All right. It's calming down. Breaking news, y'all. Wait. Breaking news, y'all. Live right now. We are stopping the rain. But I don't know if y'all can see. Out here we have flooding. It's still dumping. Flooding is happening. Stay inside and away. Oh my gosh, go. We gotta go. Wait. I can't forget y'all. Let's go. We have to explore this. Look at this. Ah, it's so deep. Oh, my gosh. Ah, wait. I'm just running back out. Oh, yo. It's insane. Oh, I was just inside. Wait, shouldn't I be inside? Look, branch already falling. Water is flooding. Stay inside, y'all. Crazy storms are happening. If y'all live in Missouri, stay away from windows. Because it is coming towards you. It's pouring. Yo, it's pouring. OMG. Ah! It's raining right now. Live weather. Get inside. Stay away from windows and buildings. I'm basically the news here. Yo, where's my cat? Where's my cat and the kitties? We go. Oh, it's pouring. Natural disasters are happening in Missouri. Ah! Oh my gosh, y'all are blurry. Oh my gosh. Y'all okay? You okay? Comment down below if you're okay right now. Comment down below. Where are my cats and the kitties? What? Where's my cat and the kitties? They're not in there. Oh no. Now we're on a rescue mission. Save my kitties and my cat. Save my cat with the kitties. It's flooding right now. Going in, natural disasters. Get away from windows and stuff. Yo, maybe not even 5 minutes ago, this was not wet. Remember, like right here? No, it's all the way over there. Natural disasters right now, bruh. Natural disasters. Wait a minute, y'all. Oh, God. Wait a minute. There's a flashlight. It's electric. Don't touch anything electric. Don't get electrocuted. We gotta save the flashlight. Save it. Oh, I got the flashlight. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it doesn't work. Where's my cat? Where's my cat and its... Where are my cats at? My cat and its 3 kitties. This is hard natural disasters. Look how deep this is. That is so deep. Natural disasters. This is how much money it's going to cost you. Oh, snap. I'm glad they didn't have our information on it. Natural disasters right now are happening in Missouri. Breaking news. Get away. Get away. Windows or anything like that, just get away. Stay away. Get and stay. Yo, it's pouring right now. Ah! Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, it's pouring. We can't. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Go. Run. Oh my gosh, I don't slip. Don't slip. Woo! We're okay, y'all. We're safe. We're safe. Who wants to take the four-wheeler? Not me. No, it's not. Alright, y'all. It's going to be the end of it. We have to get back, and then we're going to stop the video. Oh, I'll show you the stuff, and then we'll stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Flooding. Natural disasters. Natural disasters are happening here. Oh, my gosh. Yo. Oh, yo. Let's show y'all the merch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so good. This is, well, it's not really merch, but I'm going to frame this sign and sell it. You know, I'm soaked. My socks are soaking wet. Natural disasters are happening as we speak. Stay away from windows. Oh my God. Alright, oh snap it, calm down, kinda. Alright, it's still really pouring. That's gonna do it that's gonna do it for this video. If you get a like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!